Good morning, fellas. Yo, welcome back to me, Alwi, and this is day 7. And wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, this is day 7 of creating 100 video vlog. And here I'm currently at my campus, and the time is currently 7:42, and the class is my first class is start at 8 p.m. and the mentor is still not come yet, and the place is also quiet place right now. It's also quiet right now because there are just a little student that come here yet, and the other are still at their house. And you know what, right now the weather is pretty good for me. Let me show you here. Yeah, the weather is rainy but not a big rain, and the weather is also cold, and that's literally a perfect weather for me, because a cold weather is not making me sweaty and also make me calm. But if the weather is too cold, I cannot handle that, because we as our Indonesian had catch a cold issue atau masuk angin ya. And I have another issue, which is I'm allergic to cold weather, but I'm pretty like about cold weather because what I said earlier. And you know what, the view is pretty nice right now. See, wow, just look at there, it's so calming. The sound of the river, the wind, and the rainy, and also the mountains, and also the sawah. Yeah. This is a perfect place to study. If I have a house here and I need to work on study here, I think I'm gonna enjoy it most because the environment is pretty good to learn. And anyway, guys, I learned new thing this day, which is machine learning, and I was planning to learn it by half of August, or maybe I'm just gonna learn it next month. The reason why I learn machine learning is because I fear of missing out about AI. I want to join an AI era where I take a part of it. And you know what? To take a part of AI, I think as a technical guy, I need to start from the beginning, which is learning how to teach computer, and that kind of field is called machine learning engineer. And I'm not gonna plan to learn machine learning quite long, because I'm just gonna learn it fast to up step to the next step further about AI. And learning about machine learning was not on my college goal. I literally want to learn about mobile programming and AI automation, but never the machine learning. But I want to try it first because I want to see the career opportunities and the job market condition right now about machine learning position and the future career about related to that field. And yeah, that's all for me, and see you guys to the next English video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.